how much should you actually spend on an all-in-one washer-dryer combo? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, JISHAHS Lint Filter 4-pack. The JISHAHS WH01X35719 lint filter is designed specifically for GE Profile washer-dryer combos, and it stood out at just $15.16. If you want efficient filtration to keep your laundry machine running smoothly, this is worth a serious look. This can help extend its lifespan, giving you peace of mind that you won't face costly repairs down the line. With over 900 units sold in the past month, it's clear people are recognizing its value. Now, some people complained about the fit being slightly larger than the original, making it harder to install. Here's the thing though, if you read the instructions carefully, you'll find it actually improves the filtration efficiency. This is perfect for you if you own a GE Profile washer-dryer combo and want to maintain it efficiently. Skip this if you have a different model, as compatibility is key. Overall, this is a cost-effective way to keep your machine in top shape. Now, if the issue of fit bothered you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Yuhami Portable Dryer. Next up is the Yuhami Portable Dryer, which is a compact powerhouse priced at $246.49. Its sleek design and functionality caught my attention right away. If you need a versatile drying solution for small spaces, this is worth a serious look. This dryer packs 850 W of power and accommodates up to 10 pounds of laundry, reaching a thermal peak of 140 degrees F. The various drying modes, including cool and anti-wrinkle settings, make it adaptable for different fabrics. Its quiet operation is a real plus if you're in a tight living space. With over 300 sold recently, it seems to be gaining traction among apartment dwellers. Now, some users found it a bit smaller than expected. Here's the thing, this is designed for portability, so you have to manage your load sizes accordingly. If you're drying larger items regularly, it might be a challenge. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or RV and need a reliable drying option without taking up much space. Skip this if you have a large family with frequent laundry needs, as it may not keep up. It's a solid investment for small spaces. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for travel needs. Product number 3, Rollitwills Mini Dryer. Introducing the Rollitwills Portable Clothes Dryer, which is amazing for just $42.02. Its compact design and remote control feature drew me in. If you're looking for a travel-friendly drying solution, this is worth considering. This dryer is incredibly lightweight and foldable, making it perfect for small apartments or RVs. The remote control allows you to adjust settings without getting up, which is super convenient. It also uses UV hygiene technology to ensure your clothes are not just dry but also clean. While it's compact, it still manages to hold a good amount of clothes. I saw over 200 purchases this month, and that speaks to its appeal. However, some users mentioned it struggles with heavier fabrics like towels. Here's the thing, it's designed for lighter items, so if you plan to dry heavier clothes, you might want to consider another option. This is perfect for you if you travel often or have minimal laundry space. Skip this if you need to dry bulky items regularly, as it won't meet that demand. At this price, it's a steal for quick drying. Moving on, let's talk about a more traditional option that balances washing and drying. Product number 4, DeKosok Replacement Filter. The DeKosok WH01X35719 replacement filter is another essential for GE Profile washer-dryer combos, priced at $11.36. Its reliability and effectiveness caught my eye. If you want to keep your washer-dryer running efficiently, this is worth considering. This filter is designed for easy installation and helps maintain airflow, crucial for optimal drying performance. The fact that over 50 have sold recently shows its popularity in the market. Some users reported that it might not fit perfectly if not installed correctly. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the instructions, you'll find it works well. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable replacement filter for your GE unit. Skip this if you have another brand, as it won't fit. For the price, it's a smart buy to protect your investment. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more capacity and functionality, check out this next option. Product number 5, Giantex Portable Washing Machine. Finally, we have the Giantex Portable Washing Machine, which comes in at $171.92. This twin tub design really impressed me with its practical features. If you want an all-in-one solution for washing and drying, this is definitely worth a look. With a washing capacity of 12 pounds and an 8-pound spinner dryer, this machine is efficient for small spaces. The maximum washing time is just 15 minutes, which means you can get your laundry done quickly without sacrificing quality. It's compact enough to fit in tight corners, yet powerful enough to handle a decent load. I noticed it's gained traction with 50+ sales recently. Some people mentioned it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing, if you're living in a shared space, it might not be the best for late-night laundry. But for its price and functionality, it's still a great option. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or dorm and want a compact washing solution. Skip this if you need a heavy-duty washer, as it's designed for lighter loads. Considering its features, it's a great value for small living spaces. So to wrap it up, we covered a range of options from the JISHAHS lint filter for maintenance to the Giantex portable washing machine for those needing a compact solution. The Yuhami and Rollitwills dryers cater to different needs, while the DKOSOK filter keeps things running smoothly. Each product has its strengths and weaknesses, and the best choice really depends on your specific situation. Whatever you choose, make sure it fits your needs and lifestyle.